But you never tell me say the woman would I call a judgment for myself. Pastor, I am so
Um,
uncomfortable.
all right, my dear, I understand. You see, when the Lord grants gifts, He doesn't just grant you a gift that you can just, just receive like that. You have to go through the water, through the flood, under the blood. All these things is because of sacrifice, right? So when you go there now and see these crosses, lady, what is it that you are doing that caused there to be crosses? Sometimes you have to understand that as well. Because what if it's you is the crosses and you're trying to uncross her? So the cross is crossing the crosses. You understand? So in this case, you have to understand. Listen to me, my dear. It's my show, my program. And when I talk to you, I want you to listen. Because you're coming on my program trying to insult me about the fact that I am praying for you like I am Jesus and I am granting you wishes.